Hello, this is Rick Spicer for Prime Minister of Canada. I couldn't mess it up worse than them. Part of my platform is gasoline 80 cents a liter, diesel 60 cents a liter. And this is based on a government study that they did that proved from the studies for the next 10 years, gas or diesel shouldn't be more than 80 to 60 cents a liter. If you're going to pay for studies, why are you not following them? Are they just payouts? Or are they just free money for somebody that wants to write something? First, there's absolutely no reason for it to be over 80. There's absolutely no reason for diesel to be over 60. I believe that we should stick to that and go back to that. Any higher is crippling our economy, stopping people from having the ability to create jobs, work, and food for their families. Why are you attacking the people that need to stop their businesses from profiting? You are attacking Canadian people with higher fuel costs than this, according to your study. So, there you go. Stop being a comedian. Start using your inventor mind and put this back to where it's supposed to be. It is unfair to the Canadian people. This is part of my platform, and I will stick to my word. They proved it with their study. It shouldn't be any more than that, so it's not that hard just to put it at the right price. Thank you for your support. If those other guys are messing you around and not backing you up as a fellow Canadian, then stop supporting them. Come and support me. Let's fix this. We can be a great team. Have a great day.